After applying the suitable primer for your skin, apply 303 Yellow Corrector by Krylon and spread it as shown. Blend it all with a sponge and then stipple with a stippling brush. Then apply the derma color in your shade and spread it evenly again as shown. Then blend the derma color properly and patiently like shown. Stipple again using a stippling brush. Now use the TL4 yellow powder by Krylon. Now you contour your face, paying special attention to the structure of your face and the nose. Then use Ivory by Krylon and apply it in the shape of inverted triangles like shown. Use eye primer now and then draw a line with a white pencil just under the brow bone. Now apply a liquid illuminator followed by a light colored blush and mascara. And finally your no makeup look is ready.